Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See this problem. This is a problem belongs to complex numbers. So here given one equation, that is x minus 3 upon 3 plus I plus y minus 3 upon 3 minus I, that is equal to I. So where x comma y belongs to real numbers and I value is nothing but root of minus 1, then how can you find x comma y values? This is the problem. So first of all, simplify this equation. So take LCM here. Here LCM is 3 plus I into 3 minus I. So it becomes x minus 3 by 3 plus I plus y minus 3 upon 3 minus I. LCM is 3 plus I into 3 minus I. So this is equal to right hand side I. So here I am going to convert into single equation. So for this the product is 3 minus I times. So 3 minus I into x minus 3. 3 minus I into x minus 3 plus next for 3 minus I the product term is 3 plus I. So 3 plus I into y minus 3. So 3 plus I into y minus 3, that's equal to I. Now bring this denominator to right hand side, then it becomes 3 minus I into x minus 3 plus 3 plus I into y minus 3, that's equal to I into these two terms, that is 3 plus I into 3 minus I. Now product these two terms, then becomes so 3 into x, nothing but 3x, so 3x, next 3 into minus 3, nothing but minus 9, next minus I into x, minus xi, next minus I into minus 3, nothing but plus 3i, plus now product these two terms, it becomes 3 into y, 3y, next 3 into minus 3, nothing but minus 9, next I into y plus iy, next I into minus 3, nothing but minus 3i, that's equal to I into, so this is nothing but in the form of a plus b into a minus b form. So by producing this we get a square minus b square form. So I into a value is 3, nothing but 3 square minus I square. So it becomes, now add these two terms, so bring I terms on one side, okay, remaining on one side. So like this. So these two are items here, here these two terms are items here. Now these two terms and these two terms will be right like this. So 3x next 3y, that is 3x plus 3y, next minus I minus 9, nothing but minus 18, so minus 9 minus 9 minus 18, next so here this is y terms and this is x term, come here, bring the I common here in these four terms, because plus I into next y minus 3, first I'm taking here, next minus x plus 3, that's equal to I square. So this are equal to 10. So I square is minus 1, so minus minus plus 1, so plus 1 plus 9, nothing but 10. So I into 10. So it becomes, this term is once, it is 3x plus 3y minus 18, one term, plus I into this here, so plus 3 minus 3 cancel, it becomes I into y minus x, that's equal to 10i. Now from this observe on both sides. So in right hand side the real part is 0, it is 0 plus 10i. Now compare the real part equal and imaginary part will be equal. Now it becomes two equations, that is this value is equal to 0 and this value equal to 10. So by comparing on both sides, this is the real part is 0, so here the real part equal to 0 and the remaining part is 10. So that is 3x plus 3y minus 18 equal to 0. So this is will be equal to 0. Next this term will be equal to 10 because imaginary part. So that is y minus x equal to 10. Now if you solve these two equations, then we can get easily x comma y value. Now see here how to solve these two equations. So first of all I am going to reduce this equation. So it becomes, so bring this real part to the right hand side. It becomes 3x plus 3y equal to 18. So bring common 3. So 3 into x plus y equal to 18. So it becomes x plus y equal to 18 by 3. Nothing but x plus y equal to 6. 3 1 3 6. So let's consider this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now add these two equations. That is x plus y equal to 6. This is equation 1. Next equation is this is y minus x equal to 10. Now add these two equations. Here on left hand side x's cancel, means x minus x nothing but 0. Next y plus 5 2y. So 2y equal to 10 plus 6 16. So from this we get y equal to 8. Now substitute y value 8 in equation 1 or in equation 2. So from this we get x value. Now I am going to substitute y value 8 in equation 1. So it becomes x plus 8 equal to 6. So from this get x equal to 6 minus 8. So from this x equal to minus 2. So where x equal to minus 2 and y is 8. So x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 8. So these are the two required values for the given problem. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.